What's up guys, it's Rahul here back with another review video, and today we are taking a look at Ugreen's USB Type-C hub. Special thanks to my friend who let me borrow this for the purposes of this review. The external packaging is very nice and looks clean. I particularly like the simple look Ugreen went for when designing it. It really puts it apart from a lot of the other cheap USB-C accessories. Opening up the box, you get the Type-C hub along with some paperwork. It doesn't look too promising considering that the only protection was the cardboard box and some plastic wrapping around it. Taking the plastic off, I was immediately impressed by the nice space grey metallic finish and an aluminium body that looks very durable and also gives the product a very clean and premium look. The cable was made of a thick rubber, which makes it very hard to damage. I guess this slightly explains the lack of a foam cutout for the hub to be placed in. The hub is the only thing you will ever need if you have nothing but USB-C ports on your laptop. It has 3 Type-A ports, all running at USB 3 speeds, USB Type-C pass-through, HDMI, Gigabit Ethernet, a full-size SD card slot, and also a micro SD slot to finish things up. Performance-wise, it works almost as expected. The Ethernet port supplies full gigabit speeds, given that your network delivers that throughput. The HDMI port allows for a maximum display output of 4K at 30Hz, which isn't too bad, but 4K 60 would be welcome. The USB 3.0 ports all work as expected, as does the USB-C pass-through. One of the issues I came across was that the SD card transfer speeds were significantly lower on Ugreen's USB Type-C hub when compared to Quackquack's GN30C, which was able to deliver the full speeds that the SD card offered. Another issue I encountered was some slight overheating. It gets quite warm even when it's plugged into a computer with nothing plugged into the hub itself. Overall, I would actually recommend this USB hub as the build quality and the ports it provides for about $50 or 70 Australian dollars can be considered very good value, and the durability means that it won't break easily. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Check out Ugreen over on their website www.ugreen.com.cn and be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, tap on that notification icon and chuck in a comment or two down below. This is Rahul signing out. Peace.